Welcome to Eyemi Colored Contact Lenses. Founded in 2009, Eyemi has become one of the famous contact lenses brand around the world. Rely on 10 years experience. Eyemi Factory will meet so many of your demands for contact lenses, such as making you more beautiful and special. Besides, we are quite confident to offer you some meaningful contact lenses design, such as the Magic Colored Contacts, Lolly Colored Contact Lenses, and so on. All Eyemi's contact lenses are made by our own factory, which will ensure customers' benefits maximum, and let you buy so good products, while at low cost. Eyemi Colored Contact Lenses can improve the color of your natural eyes, or change your eyes' color completely. Wide selection of colors, prescription and categories. 30% off and buy 2 get 1 free, free shipping on all orders. No minimum purchase. Eyemi.store